Hey guys, greenbaywacky here. Hey, I want to talk on something real quick, 2.5 minutes or less. Please hear me out, this whole message. Don't click stop on this video. This has been coming up a lot lately with me, my fellow YouTubers. You have either said this to someone, thought it, or it's been said to you. So this applies to every person that is on this platform. Everyone. And here's what it is. He or she never comes to my channel, never comes to my live streams, never watches my footage or my videos. You know what? You're right. You're right. We can't get everywhere. This is happening. This is happening. I'll be the first to admit it. But I also want a truth bomb. You're also doing it. Don't lie. Don't look at this camera and say, oh no, I watch every subscriber of mine's stuff. Every channel. Really? Seriously? With a straight face, you're going to say that. If you have anything over 100 subscribers, it's impossible. You can't be doing it. You can't get everywhere. And let alone if you're a channel with 500, 1,000, 2,000. No way, Jose. Not a chance, okay? Give a little truth bomb here, okay? People, you're getting so emotional about this, you're willing to go out and be tacky about it, out in live streams, out in chats. You'll type in chats of 50 people that so-and-so isn't coming to your channel. You'll gripe and complain and bitch about it out in public. You don't care. Well, get some tact. Guys, let me give you a dose of reality. This is just me. I'm not even speaking for other channels. This week alone, I live streamed for 30 hours, and I'm a high-energy live streamer. Do you know how hard that is? It's a lot of energy. I was in Google Hangouts with other channels. We were strategizing growth on YouTube, helping each other. I did videos. I went to other live streams. I watched other people's videos. All this week added up to 70 or 80 hours. How much time does a YouTuber have? How much time? I'm subscribed to thousands of channels. I have over 4,000 subscribers myself. We can't get everywhere. I'm sorry to hurt your feelings. And other channels are channeling the same message out to you right now. They're sorry. They can't be everywhere. We know you want your stuff seen and you want to have that audience, but not everyone's going to get to your channel. Work on the ones that can. Try to get the supporters that can support you. And remember, it's nothing bad. It's not that we don't love you. It's not that we don't like your material. We just can't get everywhere. Come to the live streams. That's my advice. That's my way to give back. I give back through the live streams. We can talk. We can interact. We can do that all throughout the week. You know, that's why I love the live stream. Guys, stop this nonsense. You've never come to my channel. You never watched a video. And it's going on with channels everywhere, guys. You would never go to the big YouTubers and say that. Well, PewDiePie, I'm unsubscribing from you. You never came to my channel or watched a video. Really? Are you out of your mind? Guys, get a grip, all right? Stop being so emotionally attached to your channels and your videos. Some people are going to come. Some are not. Love everyone. All right. See ya.